Estimated 2 million Americans are addicted to opioid pain medications, and in the wake of the crackdowns on pill mills, many have turned to street drugs like heroin. Local 10 medical specialist Christy Kruger tells us that the Food and Drug Administration is expected to approve a new alternative to help people get off these dangerous drugs. Christy?
Yeah, this is a great idea. For years, addiction specialists have prescribed an oral medication, a pill. It's called Suboxone. We've done stories on this one before to help people get off prescription opiates and street drugs. But compliance was always kind of a problem. Would people continue taking the medication like they're supposed to? Well, the Siegel Institute for Clinical Research right here in North Miami was part of just a huge study into a new implantable form of that very same medication. The drug slowly releases over a period of 6 months, avoiding the need for patients to take a pill every single day.
In the trials, the patients did very, very well on this. It was off the table using opiates. In fact, we also tested for other drugs, and the other drug use decreased dramatically too.
It gave me all the relief I needed. I even went back to work full time. I did everything that I wanted to do.
So Dr. Siegel says this implantable medication will also avoid misuse of the oral Suboxone or accidental ingestion by your children. FDA approval is expected by the end of this month. Pretty exciting stuff right there. Also in today's HealthCast, the latest research on the effects of social networking on your children, your teens, and your adolescents. Researchers found children who are stressed out about interactions on social media release cortisol, and that can lead to long-term health concerns.
The stress hormone that we call cortisol is something that when it's too high, and it's too high for a long period of time, and it can actually be toxic to the brain, specifically a structure called the hippocampus, which is involved in memory and emotional development.
Psychiatrist Dr. Daniel Bober says that can lead to higher rates of things like depression, anxiety, obesity, and actually premature death as an adult. And experts say it's not just about monitoring how much time your kids interact on social media, but how they react to the connections they are creating there. Parents really should have some open conversations with your kids about online relationships and encourage real face-to-face relationships and friendships instead. And that's today's HealthCast.
Good advice as always, Christy. Thank you.